Namaskar and welcome to Consumer Times family. Are you tired of endless spam calls and messages from companies claiming you gave consent? TRAI has finally launched a revolutionary digital consent management system in partnership with RBI and banks to put you back in control. In this Consumer Times investigation, we break down how businesses have been exploiting loopholes in consent collection, why your DND isn't working, and how this new pilot project could change everything. Learn your rights, understand the new system, and discover how to protect yourself from unauthorized marketing communications. Namaskar and welcome to Consumer Times family. I am your host Dr. Arun Kumar, where we fight for your rights as a consumer. Today, we're diving into a game-changing development that could finally end your spam call nightmare. Telephone Regulatory Authority of India TRAI has just launched a revolutionary digital consent management system, and if you've ever wondered why companies keep calling you despite being on the Do Not Disturb list, this episode will blow your mind. Here's what's been happening behind the scenes. You register for DND, thinking you're safe from marketing calls, but your phone keeps buzzing with exclusive offers and limited time deals. When you complain, these companies have a ready answer. Sir, you gave us consent when you purchased from us. But here's the shocking truth TRAI discovered. Most of these consents are either fake, collected through deception, or completely unverifiable. Companies have been playing a dangerous game with your personal data, and the current system has massive loopholes that they've been exploiting for years. Under the existing Telecom Commercial Communications Customer Preference Regulations from 2018, businesses can legally bypass your DND preferences if they claim to have your explicit consent. The problem? There's been no reliable way to verify whether that consent is genuine or not. TRAI's investigation revealed disturbing patterns. Consumers reported that their mobile numbers were being acquired through misrepresentation, outright deception, and unauthorized data sharing practices. Imagine buying a product online and suddenly receiving calls from 20 different companies you've never heard of, all claiming you consented to their marketing. The regulatory body has tried multiple approaches to tackle this menace. They've allowed consumers to file complaints against unregistered telemarketers without prior DND registration and have initiated large-scale disconnections of telecom resources being misused for spamming. But the core issue remained. How do you verify offline consent that could be completely fabricated? Enter TRAI's breakthrough solution, the Digital Consent Management Pilot Project, developed in partnership with the Reserve Bank of India and banking institutions. This isn't just another regulatory band-aid. It's a complete system overhaul designed to put consent verification into the digital age. Here's how it works. Instead of companies claiming they have your consent through some mysterious offline interaction, they'll now need to register your consent digitally in a secure, interoperable registry maintained by telecom service providers. Think of it as a digital vault where every single consent is recorded, time-stamped, and verifiable. This means when a company wants to send you marketing communications, the system can instantly verify whether you actually gave them permission or not. No more, he said, she said, situations. No more companies hiding behind vague claims of offline consent collection. For consumers, this could be revolutionary. Every marketing call or message you receive will be backed by verifiable digital proof that you actually consented to it. Companies will no longer be able to purchase random phone number lists and claim consent they never obtained. The system is designed to be interoperable, meaning it will work across different telecom providers and business sectors. Whether it's banks, e-commerce platforms, or service providers, everyone will need to play by the same transparent rules. But here's the critical part. The success of this system depends on widespread adoption. Companies need to onboard themselves into this digital consent framework, and that's where regulatory enforcement becomes crucial. As a consumer, you have the right to know exactly how your consent is being collected and used. With this new system, you'll have unprecedented visibility into who has your consent and for what purposes. We recommend staying informed about this pilot project's progress and understanding your rights under the existing TCCCPR regulations. Remember, even today, companies need your explicit consent to bypass D&D preferences, and you have the right to withdraw that consent at any time. This digital consent management system represents hope for millions of consumers frustrated with spam communications. While it's still in the pilot phase, the collaboration between TRAI, RBI, and banks signals serious commitment to solving this problem. What do you think about this new system? Have you been a victim of unauthorized marketing calls? Share your experiences in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to Consumer Times for more updates on policies that affect your daily life. Remember, knowledge is your best defense as a consumer. Stay informed, stay protected.